In this video, we're going to do scatter plots, and actually I'm just going to do one video on scatter plots. Let me zoom in for a minute so you can see. A scatter plot typically is a graph of some sort that all the points don't make a line. They're not a straight line, and usually, specifically when you do statistical data, it may not always make an exact line. So how do you determine things like this? So I'll look at number 11 that you see right here, and it says estimate the slope of your scatter plot. Well, the very first thing you want to do is try to make it into the best straight line that you can. And so you want to have a line that goes basically through the points and leaves some below the line, about the same amount above and below the line. And so what you want to do is take a ruler, and then you want to try to do your best to get that scatter plot something like that. Now I have a straight line. And that may not be perfect. I may have to make another one. Let me do that one more time. I want to get the best line that I can that goes above and below, best that I can. Do something maybe like that. And then, gosh, that's not great either. I'll try one more time. Do something like that. And then what you want to do is take the best that you can on your slope. y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. You'll have some outliers. You'll have some things that go right above it or right below it, and you make your best guess. And when you get the best slope answer that you can, then you find the answer that looks close to that. So if this was my line, this is x, this is y. So how much did I go up from this point? Okay, so if let's see where it hits the graph. And so I want to make it's up 1, and it's left 1.5. So let's go up 1, 2, 3, and left 2. So it's up 3, left 2, minus 2. So it's about a minus 3/2. Okay, so I'm going up, which is positive, and then I went left. So that means if I was at that point, I would go down 3, 1, 2, 3, and then right 2, and I'm right back where I was. So I look for an answer close to that. Okay, and so you can do a scatter plot. You'll notice you can see the line that's going to go right between those points. You can see the line that's going to go right between those points. And this one, you're going to have that graph's going to come through there like that. Make your best line, and then do your slope. So you can practice with these three. You can draw them like that. But the basic understanding is what you have to do to make it work. Okay? And so we're not going to have a second video on this, but you're going to look for something like this. That's way better of a line. And then I can do the slope and get my best answer. So after you get your line, then you can answer questions about it. So it's a lot like doing y equals mx plus b. You have some kind of idea of what's happening. You have, in that one, you have some above, some below. The best one I've done so far is number 12 and 13. And so you can go from there. The idea of scatter plots is make a line and then interpret the data they want you to.